Hello guys, give me 1 second while I share the video. We're going live here with my team. Hope you guys had an amazing trading day today. We did really good. We killed it on the team here. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and start with the SPY. And let's start with the daily since we covered the weekly yesterday. And you can see we formed another flat top here, red volume. Momentum, you can see in the momentum squeeze, we are still pressure to the downside. And so what I'm looking for a potential reversal is for tomorrow to form either a doji, okay, right here, with some green volume at the end of the day, to be able to look for a potential reversal and potentially maybe take some calls and swing them to the next day. That's what I'm looking for, or I'm looking for another flat top with green volume. And let me show you an example of what I'm looking for. Okay, so you see here this flat top, okay, and then you see the green volume right at support. That's what I'm looking for. So anytime at support we get a flat top with green volume, okay, that means that we're kind of exhausted. Okay, we are looking for a reversal, and that's kind of what I'm looking at for the next couple of days, to see either tomorrow or the next day, as long as we stay above this level on the daily. All right, so as long as we stay above the level, I'm looking for a potential bounce and maybe rally up to the 390 again. All right, or even to touch the trend before we reverse. Okay, we could have a multiple day rally. Look how many days we've been red already. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so we're due for a bounce. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to be the reversal on a bear market. I'm saying that we can come up and then potentially come back and break. Okay, that's what I'm, anything can happen, or we can just break through it. Anything can happen, but at least we need this, okay, to the upside, or we just break below here and then we start testing this trend here. So yesterday I told you about this trend here, that if we break below, okay, this would be a potential target here around 320. So this right here, if we start breaking below this support here, this would be potential target for a SPY. That's what I would be looking for. So keep that on watch. Put it on your trend lines and put on your alerts, and that's what we're looking for. So we go here on the hourly. You could see today was pretty choppy. We ran in the morning. You could see here we did play this at the open. We got some calls, and then there was no continuation, so I stopped out on the rest, and then just kind of barcoded throughout the day. Not much movement here on SPY, but if we want to run, we need to get across this level, okay, on the hourly. So tomorrow we can get above here. Now we have room to run to that 376 area, and you have the 200 EMA here at 380. So this could be potential intraday plays here to the upside if we break above this downtrend. So that's something to look for. Okay, we break above this downtrend. Now we have room to run to that 376 to that 380. So that's what I would be looking for tomorrow. Keep that on watch. Okay. Oh, by the way, I put this up. This is the play that I gave the team earlier before the open of the market. And you could see I told them if we break above this level, this was the entry, this was target one, and that's all we hit, target one, unfortunately. And then we broke below, and you know, we came close to this target here, but we didn't. I didn't end up playing it to the downside. It was already past lunchtime, I believe. Yeah, it was right at lunchtime. So we played this break in the morning, hit target one, and unfortunately it didn't continue. But we killed it on Tesla and Amazon. But yeah, so if we want to get further, and let me raise this because this is, we need new targets for tomorrow. In order for us to get up, we need to break above this trend. So something to keep on watch for tomorrow here on the hourly. Break above here. Oh, we start breaking below 363. You know, now we can start making new lows. So keep that on watch for tomorrow. Let's go ahead and watch Tesla. And let's start Tesla with the daily here. Okay, now watch this, okay? Because Tesla closed with the green volume bar. All right. So anytime we close with the green volume bar on a flat top, there's a potential that we can start reversing. Okay, so something to keep on watch. Just something. We would need to break above this today's high. So something to keep on watch here for Tesla. Momentum does still look kind of a little bit of weakness going to the downside here, but overall, something to keep on watch for tomorrow. You can see here on Tesla, we did on the hourly. Okay, we did really good on this play today on the hourly. So on the hourly, I saw this squeeze in the morning. Okay, right here, this squeeze, and I gave this play. Let me see if I have it on one of the drawings. I don't know which one's it on. No, it's not that one. Technical, there it is. Okay, so this is the play that we gave on Tesla, and let me zoom out to like a 5 minute. Okay, you can see here, and as soon as we broke out of here, you know, we started hitting targets. Target one hit, target two, target three. And so those targets I gave them before the open of the market. We played the break. We locked in profits on the way up. So amazing play here on Tesla. Okay. And yeah. So I set that up. You can see here on my Discord. Tesla, this is the setup right here. You see it before it even happened. Okay, it says Tesla break of 274.30, price targets 277, 282, 284, and so I alerted that, and you could see we started hitting targets. So it held up all right on Tesla. So tomorrow we're gonna be watching to see if we can break this trend now that we have here. Okay, so if we can start getting above here tomorrow, we can come and test 280, this 284 again, and potentially keep going higher. So something to watch on Tesla for tomorrow. Real nice run, real nice gains here on Tesla for today. Killed it, made for the day, because SPY didn't do much. It hit target one and then stopped out on the rest. So Tesla was great. Okay, let's move on to the next one, Apple. If we go to the daily here on Apple, give it a second while it loads here. Okay, so Apple again holding the support here in this area. Today looks like an inside bar, honestly. Did it? I'm not sure. No, No, we did get across. Okay, that was an inside bar. But nevertheless, we close with a nice green volume bar here. And so watch for potential push tomorrow to the upside on Apple. Not guaranteed, but something to keep in the back of your mind. And if we go here to the hourly on Apple, you know, we have room to that 153. Then we have the 200 EMA. So let's see what sets up tomorrow. Okay, what sets up? I'll set up the setup, the targets if it looks good, and then we'll play them at the open. So be ready to go here on Tesla. Let's go ahead and move on to Microsoft. Microsoft, this one does look like a inside bar. Yeah, so inside bar on Microsoft. So tomorrow, watch this one because you can play the inside bar by playing the break of the up or down of that previous bar on the daily. Close with green volume there. Momentum still downside there on Tesla. I mean on Microsoft. Let's go to the hourly. Okay, look at this wedge just forming here. Okay, something to keep on watch tomorrow. Let's see what happens in the morning. Anything sets up, you know, we'll alert it. We'll give targets. We definitely have room up to that 246, 200 EMA up there. So if we get some momentum to the upside, the market, you know, we have room up there. So definitely room to run on Microsoft. Let's see how this wedge looks in the morning if it's holding up. Definitely something to watch. NVIDIA. Okay, let's see how the daily close here on NVIDIA. Okay, this is the target, you know, I gave on NVIDIA on the previous video. You can see here on the daily we got this trend. Got an alert there, we hit there. I'm looking to add some NVIDIA. So definitely close red volume, but you can see not as big as the previous green volume. So find us a support here. So we'll see what happens there on NVIDIA. We go to the hourly. Okay. They make a new low. So we got this trend to the downside. So we'll see tomorrow. See how NVIDIA does. If there's any setups for the morning. And then we'll go to AMD. Kind of the same thing, you know. Kind of AMD kind of follows NVIDIA, or if AMD is moving, NVIDIA kind of follow it, just depending on which one has the momentum. And then I think Amazon, I don't know if, did I cover Amazon already? So Amazon, okay, you can see the targets here now. Let's move on to the hourly so we can see here what we did on Amazon. So you can see here on Amazon, right? Had to set up in the morning, and before this big move here to the upside, you can see here the alert on Amazon. Okay, you see that nothing has happened yet, and boom boom, those are my targets. And I said Amazon break 114, price target 115, 116, 117. Okay, there we go. Entry, price 1, price 2. We didn't quite hit that price, that target 4. So definitely good on Amazon. You can go to the what is it, 5 minute here? Yeah, you can see by 9 o'clock, well actually by 8:45 we had already hit target 1 and 2. So, and then we had that EMA here on the 15 minute. So something to keep on watch as well here on Amazon. And then last but not least, let me remove this because this is not good for tomorrow. No, clear drawing set. Okay. Okay, and then the NQ. Okay. Looks like an inside bar too. Yeah, we're inside this. Red volume, momentum dip to the bottom. Yeah, so the overall market, guys, is still looking weak. So we need to find some support tomorrow. We need to close with a nice doji for a potential reversal. And I'll show you what I'm looking for. So if you go here, you know, something like this, right? Give me a first nice green doji here using the Heiken. This is not traditional candles. This is the Heiken Ashi candles. But if we could, you know, close something like this on a, you know, with green volume, with that sort of a doji candle here, right? Because look at how many days we already have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did I count that right? And so, you know, we are due for a green candle there for a little bit of upside movement. I'm not saying we're going to reverse and go to the moon, but at least come and touch this trend here before we can make another leg down. Okay. So something to keep on watch there for the NQ. If we go to the hourly, here on the hourly, it looks like we are in an uptrend. Okay, and remember we closed an inside bar. So if tomorrow we close above yesterday, I mean tomorrow we get up above today's high, you know, we got room to run here on the hourly all the way to the 200 EMA. You can see how last time we came up to the 200, we rejected. When's the last time we came? 2 weeks ago, but we broke that one. So yeah, so we have room to the 200 EMA at least, and then we'll see what happens. So definitely room to run there for tomorrow. All right, guys, so hopefully this will help you out and give you a head start for tomorrow. If you want to trade with us live, you can click on the link on the bio, go to thatstrading.com and join us. Very affordable. I'll give you the, where is it at? Okay, I'll give you my entries, my targets, okay, before they happen, and then, you know, you decide which one you like, or you could take, you know, more than one, and yeah, you can trade or trade alongside with us. I get on voice and trade with the traders that go live. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great night. Bye bye. Adios.